Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2022 Ford F-150 Lariat. With just under 32,000 miles, this crew cab pickup truck is equipped with a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine. It is four-wheel drive and it also has a clean CARFAX with one previous owner. In the front, you will find this F-150 well equipped with high-intensity headlights, LED daytime running lights, and fog lights integrated into the lower bumper, followed up with front proximity sensors and two front recovery hooks. Making our way around to the wheel and tire setup, you'll have a 20-inch alloy wheel wrapped up in a like new set of off-road tires, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside, you'll enjoy nice features like turn signal indicators integrated right into your mirror cap with LED locator lights, fixed running boards, and passive door entry. Looking inside, you'll be met with a black and dark brown interior with a lot of nice elements such as leather, white stitching or off-white, maybe a little darker gray actually. Then you also have some brushed aluminum and chrome accents, and as you can see, that will continue throughout the entire interior of this F-150 Lariat. Of course, once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these heated and cooling seats here in the front. Really nice thick leather bolstered here with your brown piping, and you will have power adjustments on both the passenger and the driver's side. Additionally, located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection report. Here you can see all the tires are 13/32 all the way around, and the brake pads are brand new, and everything else is green, ready to go for the next buyer. And guys, we do that so you don't have to put money into the wearables shortly after purchasing with All Things Automotive. Looking into the back seat, your passengers will have plenty of space, and they're going to be kept comfortable by a flow-through center console, heated rear seats, and USB charging. It looks like we have a 12-volt up top with a 120 as well. And if we look up, we do have that panoramic sunroof here. Opens up the cabin space a whole lot back here. And you also have your fold-down cup holder and armrest, and of course you do have power windows. Making our way around to the 6.5-foot bed, you will notice this F-150 is equipped with your tri-fold cover here, high-definition rear camera, LED reverse lights, all of your towing equipment, and rear proximity sensors. Let's go ahead and drop the tailgate here. It is equipped with tailgate assist. You can access that on the remote fob. Let's take a look here in the bed. Drop in bed liner here, LED lighting. And you do have a 120 back here as well, which is a really nice feature. And you will also have your Ford Easy Step. So this will come out like so. And then you have your handle that will come out and then lock in place. Making our way to the driver's side, you will notice this vehicle is equipped with your keypad entry and your blind spot monitor with your indicator integrated right into the glass. Taking a look here at the driver door, you will notice all your powered options such as power windows, power mirror adjustments, and power folding, power door locks, and memory seating. It looks like you can set up to 3 profiles. To the left of the steering wheel, you will have lighting options for your mirrors, tailgate release. You will have a cargo lamp selection here, followed up with your general lamp selection, fog lights, brightness and dimming controls for your interior and cluster lighting, and down below you will have power adjusting foot pedals, and electronic parking brake, and power telescoping and tilting wheel. Here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. As you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, remote start, tailgate release, and panic. Upon startup, you can see just under 32,000 miles. And checking out the center display, you have a nice digital display here, nice and clear, very bright. Checking out some of the mounted controls here on the steering wheel, to the left you will have adaptive cruise control and some audio options, and of course you can pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. And to the right you'll have a selector for that nice center screen and some more audio options as far as phone hang up, back, and then a menu selector so you can customize your digital display. Bringing our attention to the center display and infotainment system, you can see this Lariat is equipped with onboard navigation, and as far as audio is concerned, you will have, there's your navigation by the way. As far as audio is concerned, you will have AM, FM, XM radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and yes, it does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. With B&O premium sound. Up top, you have options for your auto start and stop, a camera option, proximity sensors, you can turn those on and off, and then you do have traction control on and off with your 4-ways right up top. Now you will have the Pro Trailer Backup Assist, which is a really nice feature here on these F-150s, as you all know. You will also have an integrated trailer brake control, a drive mode selector, and a 4-wheel drive selector. And here we will have our climate control, dual automatic, and you will also have a heated steering wheel, heated and cooling front seats with wireless charging right here in the middle, so super convenient. But that's not it, guys. You have a 120 right here and a 12-volt USB and a USB-C, so there's no excuse for your phone being dead. Okay, you will have your sports shifter here. If you push that button, that'll go all the way down into the recess here. Let's go ahead and put that back up. 2 cup holders, nice leather wrapped armrest here with your deep storage console. Then you will have removable trays for cleaning. So let's go ahead and take a look up top. You will have integrated garage door openers, bright LED map lights, and controls for your dual pane sunroof here. Opens up the cabin space a lot. Just a really, really nice truck here with tons of comfort and convenience features. So let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you will have a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, as you can see. Very clean, no evidence of exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And guys, along with that multiple inspection report, this F-150 has received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. In the last portion of this video, this is where we will go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this F-150. Keeping in mind it is a pre-owned vehicle, none are perfect, but we do like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Now this one is particularly clean, but I'm going to go over some of the cosmetic blemishes here on the front of the hood. You will have some paint chips. And guys, this is a very helpful resource if you are watching from further away. Number one, we appreciate you shopping with All Things Automotive. So before you make the trip to the dealership, we want to be upfront and transparent. So that way there are no surprises when you make it here to check out this F-150. You will have some stone chips and some blemishes and some touch-up spots here in the lower bumper, all the way down by your recovery hooks and lower bumper fascia. Everything looks good. Your headlights are nice and clear, guys. No cracks, no condensation, no hazing, no fading. Let's take a moment to take a look at the wheel and tire setup. No curb rash on those nice dark alloy wheels. Badging on the sides in great shape, no discoloration. Your mirror cap is in great shape, not a lot of stone chips. Here I like to look for scuffs behind the door handle. I'm not seeing any. Now on your high gloss black elements on your outer door, for whatever reason, I don't know if it's taken to the car wash or what, but you will have scuffs on that. So that's always the issue with these. So you will have scuffs on that high gloss black panel on the outer door. Beautiful interior here, guys, as you can see on the passenger side door card. Very great, very good condition. Brushed aluminum all the way around. Really cohesive to the color pattern. I just love the dark brown and the blacks. But as you can see, guys, super clean, no rip stains, tears, or odors, no smoke odors. So that's super important here at All Things Automotive as well, and super important to you, I'm sure, when you're buying a pre-owned vehicle. Okay, looking at the back seat, like new, all weather floor mats again. Nothing to report on the inside here, guys. Coming around to the bed, no dents or dings. Tail lights are nice and clear. Rear bumper, no dents or dings. All the way around to your towing equipment. Everything looks good. Let's take a look. There we go. As you can see, it does have that power tailgate assist. Have your measurements right here if you're working on a little project. And your drop-in bed monitor is in good shape. Coming around to the other tail light here on the driver's side, in really good condition. No dents or dings to the vehicle body. And all the way down to the running boards, everything is like new. Again, some scuffs here on the high gloss black elements. No chips or anything here on the door handle. And looking into the driver's side, just a super clean F-150 Lariat here, guys. If you have any questions, please give us a call at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can shop online at allthingsautomotive.com, and you can even get yourself pre-approved. It's super easy, and it only takes about 10 minutes of your time. And make sure you ask about our extended coverage options here, because this F-150 will qualify. So we hope to see you at 21518 Great Cove Road, Collinsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name is Trent. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great weekend. Please like and subscribe.